What's up guys, and welcome to this video. So in our previous video I showed you how to create a token, how to verify it on BSC scan, and how to provide liquidity for that token to make it tradable on the market. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to lock that liquidity. So guys, to lock our liquidity we're going to be using this site called deeplock.io/safe. okay, when we head over to this site deeplock.io, okay, /safe, we're going to connect our wallet. Let's connect our MetaMask wallet. We're going to select MetaMask. So our wallet is connected, right? So we're going to select new lock. So let's select new lock. Now we head over to PokerN.app. If you also notice, when we provided liquidity for our token, we are getting this warning from PokerN.app saying an unlocked wallet is holding 100% of the liquidity pool. Okay, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how we can remove this warning. Okay, how we can remove this red warning. Okay, by locking our liquidity for a specific period of time, and thereby removing this warning, making it easy and safe for any user to trade our token. Select holders, okay, so that we can get our contract address. We can either grab this contract pair from here, okay, or we can just select copy. Okay, so once it's done, we'll go back to Deeplock and paste it. We hit continue. So guys, as you can see, it comes up origin/WBNB. So we're just gonna select lock it. Okay, so we're going to select the max amount and we're going to lock it for 7 days. Okay, so as you can see, we can choose the fee type. Okay, it can be 0.5% for locked tokens or 0.5% of market value of 1 BNB. Okay, so we're just going to use the first option. We're going to select approve lock. Okay, so we're going to confirm. So it's loading. So once that is done, we're going to select lock. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section below, or head over to konvati.com/contact. We're going to select confirm. So guys, if you need help locking your liquidity, okay, if you need help locking your liquidity, head over to konvati.com/contact. okay, select the WhatsApp button so you'll be directed to me. Okay, just let me know that you need help providing liquidity or locking your liquidity using Deeplock. Okay, so as you can see guys, we have successfully locked our liquidity pool for 7 days. Okay, so you can lock this for 1 year, you can lock it for 5 years, you can lock it for 10 years. Okay, depending on whatever you want. You can lock it for a day. Okay, so this is the transaction ID. You can check this out on BSC scan. So let's just check it out on BSC scan. Okay, as you can see, this is the transaction ID of the locked liquidity pool. Okay, so that way we can do rug pull on our token. Okay, so let's head over to Poker. Okay, let's refresh this page. So if you notice guys, it's no longer showing that error, right? So as you can see guys, we no longer get the error stating that one holder is holding 100% of the liquidity. Okay, so now your users can safely purchase your token, okay, without having any issues. So guys, if you like my content, I want you to like this video and subscribe. That way you can help me reach out to more people, okay, who want to learn about cryptocurrencies, creating cryptocurrencies, and providing liquidity and verifying their cryptocurrencies, right? So guys, if you need help locking your liquidity, okay, if you need help locking your liquidity, head over to konvati.com/contact. okay, select the WhatsApp button so you'll be directed to me. Okay, just let me know that you need help providing liquidity or locking your liquidity using Deeplock. Okay, also guys, if you need help providing liquidity, locking liquidity, or creating a cryptocurrency, okay, just head over to konvati.com/contact. You'll be redirected to me. Alright guys, if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you don't like this video, give this video a thumbs down, but let me know the reason in the comment section below. Fearless.